Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be all about the use of peppermint essential oil when it comes to helping with indigestion, when it comes to helping with aches and pains. Also, anyone suffering from tension, headaches, migraines, peppermint essential oil is a lovely essential oil that you could use for helping with that, and for helping in from an energetical, emotional perspective, for helping to clear the mind as well. Using peppermint essential oil is great if you suffer from overthinking, if you suffer from stress, anxiety. Using peppermint essential oil in your blends, in your humidifier, vaporizer, in your massage blend would help to bring great results in that way as well. So a little bit of word of caution when it comes to peppermint before we get straight away to the recipes is if you have sensitive skin like myself, dry sensitive skin, you can still use peppermint, but make sure to dilute it even more than it's stated in the recipe. So for example, if we're talking about 5 drops of peppermint along with 20 ml of carrier oil, you would need to cut that in half. Either cut the drops of peppermint that we say like in half, or double the amount of carrier oil that you would use, because you've got sensitive skin and you don't want to cause any sort of reaction to that as well. So I've got sensitive skin. In order to be safe, I would rather use peppermint essential oil in the humidifier rather than on my skin that way, because I've noticed that it causes irritation and a little bit of redness going on. So to avoid that, I use it in the humidifier, and it really helps with easing the headaches and the migraines and tension associated with that, and also helping with clearing the mind. I've realized that if I diffuse the peppermint essential oil along with a little bit of rosemary, along with a type of citrus oil like lemon, this blend is wonderful. Like personal experience, a blend of peppermint, rosemary and lemon essential oil, let's say, or if you don't have lemon, you could use bergamot or any other citrus oil like grapefruit, for example. This blend is great to helping me to study, in terms of focusing, in terms of increasing concentration, and they've done clinical trials using the power of rosemary essential oil in the inhalation method, or in the also the diffusing method of using the rosemary essential oil, diffusing the aroma into the air through the humidifier, has helped students greatly by improving retention, concentration and focus as well. So it really helps personally for me in that way. And if you're a student, if you're into studying and wanting to boost concentration, that's a lovely blend for you to try out. So for aches and pains, you can also use the peppermint essential oil, and this is basically using it with rosemary as well in this recipe, and black pepper. Now black pepper here acts as a circulatory stimulant as well, and it's very potent. It's really potent for helping to relieve the aches and pains associated with muscle and joint pain as well. Add that by using 2 drops of peppermint, 4 drops of rosemary and 4 drops of black pepper, and add to that about 20 milliliters of carrier oil would be amazing for any sort of aches and pains when it comes to headaches, and when it comes to applying it topically as a massage oil as well. So in my case, I would avoid massage oil, using peppermint, always opting for the humidifier case as well. And it's for you, it's based on preference, and based on, of course, being careful and responsible with your use of essential oils. Make sure to do a patch test if you suspect that you've got any sort of tendency to be like your skin to react with peppermint, and then make sure to do a patch test. That way you would know that you're safe with peppermint essential oil. So we've come towards the end of our video today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate it. All the links would be in the description box below for what we've discussed in today's video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next. Bye bye.